So first things first, what do we mean when we talk about brand SERPs?
Right. Well, I'll come to the little story. In fact, it all started because I would go in and pitch to clients, and I would have the meeting, and I would be going, yes, we're going to do this, we're going to do that, this is going to be amazing, we're going to have this great digital strategy. And they said, yes, we're buying in, we're ready to take you on, Jason. You will be our digital marketing guru. And then I'd walk out of the room, and 50% of the time, I didn't sign the contract. Because the people weren't convinced. And I realized after a while, the reason they weren't convinced was because when I left the room, they searched my name. And what came up for my name was my role as a blue dog in a cartoon. I was a blue dog in a cartoon series on ITV in the UK. And it was quite a famous cartoon at the time. And so what came up was they would look at it and they would say, but this guy's a cartoon blue dog. Why would we work with a cartoon blue dog on our digital marketing strategy? And so I then thought, right, well, what I need to make sure is that what comes up when they search my name is my digital marketing credentials and not the blue dog credentials. So I set about making sure that when you search my name, and if you search it now, you'll see it's all about digital marketing on the left-hand side on desktop. And my story as a blue dog is still there because your brand SERP does tell your story, but it's very much smaller. And then what happened is that people would Google my brand name after these meetings, my name, sorry, and they would see SEMrush, they would see Search Engine Journal, they would see videos of me with Joost de Valk from Joost. Or Rand Fishkin, all these big names in digital marketing. They would say, okay, he's associated with Rand Fishkin, Joost de Valk, Aleda Solis, Search Engine Journal, Search Engine Land, SEMrush. He must know what he's talking about. And instead of signing 50% of the contracts, I started signing 80% of the contracts. And better still, nobody ever argued about my prices anymore. So a brand SERP is actually incredibly important, as it's the people who are searching your brand name or your personal name are searching you because they're about to enter into a relationship with you, do business with you, or they're going to visit your site, or they're researching you. And all of these people, I like to call them A-list.
A-list, okay.
The A-list people for your business or for yourself. They're the people who are most important to you. And what they see on Google is incredibly important to your future relationship with them.
Sure, that is why it's really important.